Am I supposed to?
Oh, hey.
Just keep talking.
I'm Justice Sanford. Oh,
So,
it's pretty loud in the courtroom. Let's go outside.
Palco versus Connecticut, and me, Eagle versus Blackout.
Case of Gitlow versus New York. Gitlow, who had socialist background, passed out manifesto in trying to dethrone the government. And in our ruling, even though he didn't have clear and present danger, he still was a threat to the government and the people of their safety during wartime. And in my majority opinion, which I wrote in this book, I said that long established that the freedom of speech and of the press, which is secured by the Constitution, does not confer an absolute right to speak or publish without responsibility. Whatever one may choose, or an unrestricted and unbridled license that gives immunity for every possible use of language and prevents the punishment of those who abuse this freedom. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Judge Holmes. In the case of Schenck versus the United States, Schenck was passing around circulars to the American people to let them know to avoid the draft of World War I. Now, during peacetime, although his actions may have been harmless, during wartime, it was different. Any utterances during wartime can be punishable if they provoke the American people. It was a unanimous decision, 9-0, that Schenck was guilty and should be punished by law. Thank you.
Put our voices over it.
Oh, hey, I'm Justice Sanford, and I'll be talking about the Gitlow versus New York case. I can't do it. So, within the case of Gitlow versus New York, the judges and I have ruled that Gitlow, who had socialist backgrounds, was a clear and present danger, even though he didn't have any. In the case of Gitlow versus New York, Gitlow, who had socialist backgrounds, I didn't know you. Okay.
Hi, I'm Judge Holmes. And in the case of Schenck versus the United States, Schenck was passing around circulars to the American people to let them know to avoid the draft of World War I. Crap! Feel me?
Oh God, did you like? Thank you for your time.
I'm not so.